We know plenty about the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro already, thanks to official teasers from Google and some unofficial leaks. But we still need to find out the price and other key specs, and the answer to the biggest question of all, how Google's phone will compete against the Galaxy S22 and iPhone 14 for a place on our best phones list. Here's what we know about the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro thus far, as well as additional rumors about Google's next flagship. Also, check out our Google Pixel 7 versus Pixel 6a comparison to see which Google phone might be right for you. The Pixel Watch, which Google previewed at Google I/O this spring alongside the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, is showing up at the same event, and Google is also promising new Nest devices. Google has kept a tight lid on the Pixel 7 price, and will probably continue to do so right up until this Thursday's launch event. But that's not going to stop leakers from coming up with their own theories on price. The most convincing rumor we've heard so far comes from leaker Artem Rusakovsky, who claims that the Pixel 7 will start at $599 while the Pixel 7 Pro will cost $899. Those prices have been also claimed by a seemingly prematurely posted Amazon US listing for the Pixel 7, as well as one for Amazon Spain. If those prices sound familiar, that's because they match what the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro cost. That's cheaper than what other phone makers charge for their flagship devices. The Galaxy S22 starts at $799, $200 more than the Pixel 6 as an example. Here's where we have the strongest sense of what to expect from the Pixel 7, thanks to that on-stage preview at Google I/O. As noted, Google is keeping the horizontal camera bar introduced with the Pixel 6, but it's making some tweaks. The main camera and ultra-wide camera are now bunched together. On the Pixel 7 Pro, there's a separate lens, which we assume is the telephoto shooter. It's quite a different look from the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro and their more subdued lens design. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro have really put the cameras on full blast. Anyone looking at you holding up your phone will see the lenses spread across that aluminum bar. The first hands-on video of the Pixel 7 is here, and it shows that the phone is slightly more compact than the Pixel 6. Google confirmed that it's working on a second-generation Tensor chipset, a follow-up to the first-gen Tensor found within the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. Google hasn't detailed what changes to expect, but the Tensor G2 benchmarks have been tipped and it looks like big improvements are coming to the GPU. The bigger story will be the AI experiences powered by the machine learning core in the new Tensor chipset. Google hasn't revealed what those would be yet, but they're likely going to be crucial to the Pixel 7's success. An early Pixel 7 rumor suggests that Google won't change the Pixel 7's cameras from those found on the Pixel 6, which has subsequently been backed up by another leaker. If so, that will mean the Pixel 7 will sport a 50MP main camera and a 12MP ultra-wide angle shooter, while the Pixel 7 Pro augments those cameras with a 48MP telephoto lens. Those are the Pixel 6 camera specs, after all. Speedier charging is again something every phone should aim to improve on. And while Google did improve this with the Pixel 6, more work is needed to make it a proper competitor. After years of using 18 watts charging, the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro can charge up to 30 watts wired and 23 watts wireless. But despite having a fairly high charging wattage, in our testing the Pixel 6 only reached 29% full after half an hour of charging on a third-party 30 watts charger. The Pixel 6 doesn't ship with one in the box. That's not that fast, especially factoring in phones like the OnePlus 9 series, which charges to almost full in half an hour. For iPhone users, and to a lesser extent OnePlus owners, the alert slider is a critical feature of the phone. It is an effective way to quickly enable or disable notification sounds without needing to unlock the phone or even turn on the screen. We've never seen an alert slider on a Pixel phone before, and given it's only really used by Apple and OnePlus phones, it seems unlikely Google's going to change its mind. However, we stand by the idea that this would make a great addition to the Pixel 7. I hope, in this video, you get to know more about the latest unique gadgets on the market. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video.